Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to become a writer without being a writer, and also make money with it. You see, you don't have to be a expert or a professional before you can write, or maybe you should just to have to be an English teacher before you can write. Also, I'm studying civil engineering, and also I'm offering writing on Fiverr as a freelancing, and I make money with it. And writing was so great. There is no big deal in it. Okay, so what you need to become a writer is first an high school with knowledge of English. As I said, an high school with knowledge of English. You don't have even to be a university graduate. So, second thing is your brain to write content, and also Google, which we are going to use for research. And third is Grammarly accounts. As I said, Grammarly accounts. These are the requirements you need to become a writer. This Grammarly account can help you, like maybe solve some problems in the grammatical error. And so, and just make sure you watch this video to the end, and you will know what I'm talking about. So first, let me show you the proof that I'm writers, and also do writing is one of my jobs. So let's check my account out. So here is my Grammarly account. It's a premium account that's going to end in 2020. And also I sell a Grammarly account. I sell Grammarly accounts, and if you want to buy, it's just $20 for a lifetime. I have a lifetime account, and I'm going to sell you which we are going to share, or even I can even give you your own, just $20. So this is my Fiverr account, a seller account. So as you can see, I've delivered this, and also this is the others that are in progress. So this is what I've been getting from a review. So you can see, I see I have one other in queue. That is the one that is present in progress, and this is my review with what I got. It doesn't mean you can write for any country. It doesn't mean maybe you are from a pseudo country. All you need is just a little knowledge in English to understand what you want to write. So even there are one of my friends that offer writing on Fiverr, and they don't even have a knowledge of English. It's just use high school in English, which was great. So let's take the account out. You see, these guys have been a member since 2017. That means he's a level 2 seller, and he's getting like good rate, a good money every month. A good payout every month. You see how many other he has in queue? 14 other in queue. So that doesn't mean you don't need any philosophy, anything to become a writer on Fiverr. So assuming you register on Fiverr and you get an order from the customers, and maybe let's use this as an example, as that person told you to write about positive thinking. So first you need to do is introduction to positive thinking, or what is positive thinking. Just type what is positive thinking on Google, and to show you to get some ideas. Or the better one is that you can rewrite. Okay, assuming this is positive thinking, all you need to do is copy it like this and go to Grammarly. So wait for it, and new. I said to you, I sell Grammarly accounts. You don't have to have high expenses on this. I can give you as a discount price. So just paste it here. You see, this is what I'm talking about, a grammatical error which you can have to change, and after then we scan for plagiarize, because it's not good to write a plagiarized content for a customers, because it can hurt their whatever they are selling or whatever they are writing for. So let's check for plagiarism. So as you can see, it said it to be 100% plagiarism. So in your own way, you can change some word here, can be divine. So I want to rewrite, can be divine as a mental attitude that expects, in other words, or as I said, you need to rewrite, or so you see the plagiarism are reduced to maybe like something like 84%. So sorry, positive thing is also the process. You see the plagiarism are reduced to 55%. Next to 81, I can say, as you can say, all you have to do is to rewrite this thing. You have to rewrite it in your own words. I call it content creation. So after you can write it, copy it into PDF, so and send it to your customers as the format. What also, if you can tell, you can also make money on Fiverr with Fiverr Arbitrage without do any work. Even don't have to touch any work. All you have to do is when the order, go to another buyers, buy from them, and at a low price. Arbitrage. This method can earn you about over $1,000 monthly if you are doing this right. This method doesn't require any investment to start, but you need to be patient to get a good result. You don't have to invest anything, any amount to get this thing. Let me tell you a little secret. A customer will order from you like maybe for $10 to $20, and you are going to buy the service maybe from $2 to $1. You think how many percent is that? How many percent profit is that? It was like about let's say 1,000% profits minus Fiverr's cuts. Before Fiverr's deduct 20% from the from whatever the buyer buy from the buyer purchase from you. So this method is it work 100%. You don't even have to get any skills of this. It was just a simple arithmetic. The order from you, go to the seller deliver the product to you, you deliver to the other buyers, and we win. So as I said before, there are some people on Fiverr that don't even know how it works. All they do is to create their gigs and wait for the buyers, and when they buy, they go to the where they purchase from little amounts, they purchase it at little price and sell it again at higher price, and they win. Which they don't do the work themselves, and they also collect a good review on it without even doing the work. So if you want to purchase this course, it is in the description below. So just $10 only, and imagine how this $10 can make you thousands of dollars monthly. This course is not just, please don't buy this course if you are going to just put it on your tablet and you won't use it. And even you don't know the benefits you will realize when you buy this course. So if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. And today also in this video, I have something from you. So let's take $5 to $10 giveaway. Yes, $5 to $10 giveaway. And I'm not giving you away in cash. I'm giving away reward required. All you need to do now is to go to my description below, click the link on SEO Clerk and sign up. So this is a step. Sign up at SEO Clerk through my link. The link is in the description below. So after you sign up, you can go here and just go here. It will redirect you to this link. After you are redirected to this link, just order this service for $1 only. Just order this service for $1 only. So after you have ordered this service, after you have registered, order the service, and after you have registered and ordered that $1, drop your user ID in the comment below. After you drop your ID in the comment below, then I will take your ID and go to you and apply for your $10 coupon that you can use to order any fucking service. Any service on SEO Clerk at free. Or you can contact me with your SEO ID on Instagram or on my Facebook that I've dropped in the description below, and make sure you add in your address. That means you have to complete your profile, verify your profile with your numbers and add your address, because the coupon will be sent to your address. Note: this $10 free giveaway from SEO Clerk is for new users. Please, if you are not a new user, please do not send your SEO Clerk, or else your account will be banned. No matter what amount there is there, your account will be banned. So this offer is for new user only. As I can say, thanks for watching this video. And also, if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell, because you don't want to miss another episode. So don't forget to check out about the Fiverr application, which can earn you over $6,000 monthly without doing the work. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, like this video, and help me on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and share it. Please don't be stingy. So thank you for watching.